Hello, let me show you how to check software version in Sony by using IMEI. In the very beginning, you have to open a browser and go to IMEI.info website. When you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket, go for a captcha protection, and click on check. Wait a moment. Now you can see whole specification about your phone. If you want to check software version, you should choose firmware, SIM local country, click again and firmware, SIM local country, check, and wait the 10 seconds until full specification is provided. There you go. Here's plenty of very useful information about your phone. If you want to check software version, so here is the current software version of your phone, latest software version, so in this case there is a latest version, and last software version. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.